You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. Shoot me down.
A round of love. Let's welcome Erika Pase.
You shoot me down, but I'm on fire. I am titanium.
I've been beaten down, I've been kicked around, but she takes it all for me. And I lost my faith in my darkest days, but she makes me want to believe. They call her love, 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 love. They call her love, 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 love. She's all I need. Well, I had my ways, they were all in vain, but she waited patiently. It was all the same, all my pride and shame, but she put me on my feet. They call her love, 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 love. They call her love, 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 love. They call her love, 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 love. She is love, and she is all I need. And when that world slows down, dear, and when those stars burn out here, oh, she'll be there. Yes, she'll be there. They call her love, 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 love. 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 She is love, and she is all I need. She is love, and she is all I need. She is love, and she is all I need. She's all I need.
To come over, I got an excuse. Might be holding your hand, but I'm holding it loose. Go to talk, then we choke. It's like our necks in the noose. Avoid the obvious, we should be facing the truth. Start to think it could be fizzling now. Kinda shocked because I never really had any doubts. Look into your eyes, imagine life without you. And the kick starts again. Starts again. And the love kick starts again.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some muffin at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day to rain, 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 rain. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, swinging me out the dark. Finally, I can free up the stuff. Go ahead and tell me I'm not what you said. The skies of your love reminds me of what you keep me thinking now you're at it all. The skies of your love, they leave me restless. I can't help feeling we can let it all. Running in the deep, you let my heart inside of your hand and played it to the beat. We can let it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand and played it to the beat. Let it fall, my heart, another bell, the rose to claim it. It was dark, now over, until you can smell it. But it's back to you, then never knew all the things you say. There were never to win the game. If they were always to know but I set fire to rain. What more is that dark face? While a bird will look back as I heard screaming out your name. But I set fire to rain. What more is that dark face? While a bird will look back as I heard screaming out your name. I choose you love, don't ask me, you'll never stop. I'll look to you right down, and now you're in my way. Your circle, being skinny, showing heart, not in soul. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I miss you, and sweetie, my phone number, so don't leave me. Hey, 'cause it's right, and you baby, where's my number? So don't leave me, your boy came into my life. So bad, I miss you so bad, I miss you so bad. Hey, I miss you, and sweetie, that is my number. So don't leave me, hey, 'cause it's right, and you baby, where is my number? So don't leave me.
Happy birthday and maganda ako ng may crush. Wish ko sa'yo, to be happy and good luck sa studies. Sana maging doctor ka and since 18 ka na, mag-ingat-ingat ka na, pwede ka nang makulong, mag-jaywalking, ingat-ingat ka. And, yun lang, ang fun lang, my birthday ulit. It's hard. Parang just now, nung nag-18 na 18 ka na, first year lang walang balaman. Mabalaman lang alam natin gawin. Kaka-18 mo lang. Tapos, I miss you a lot. And, of course, hindi natin pabaliwan natin. I miss how, you're a real friend and you listen to everything, I mean, chismis, and problems, and everything else. And you're a really smart person. And, I wish you the best. Now you're, going to be a nurse. And then a doctor, for sure. So, I wish you the best, and I think you will make a really good doctor. And I hope there will be a time na, I'm happy to see you right now, that's all I'm feeling. I'm happy for you. Love you.
Happy birthday! Wish namin sa'yo, yung mga dreams mo, natupad sana. And then, wala namang problema kayo. Sobrang masunurin, sobrang mabait. Lahat, understanding, naiintindihan na lahat. And, hindi, gusto ko lang maging happy ka. Sa'yo. I will love you very, very much.
Happy birthday. Ayun, si Erica, kasama ko yan na lumaki. Simula nung pinanganak siya, kasama ko na siya. Until nag-college ako, tapos ngayon din college na rin siya. Ngayon lang kami nagkahiwalay. So, thank you. Mas bata siya sa akin, pero marami rin siyang naitulong sa akin. Like, yung pagiging mapagbigay, mapagparaya, yung tapos na-experience ko rin sa kanyang maging responsible din. Kasi kahit ko paano nag-a-advise, tapos ang wish ko lang sana mas maging masunurin mo siya. Tapos alam mo naman kung ano yung importante para sa atin. Tapos mahal na mahal ka namin bilang mga tatay. I love you very much.
Hindi ko lang makakalimutan yung masyado kang proud na magkatabi tayo kapag grad. Kasi hindi naman obvious na basa-basa eh. Always know that I love you, not just a friend, but alam kong nanay mo ko nung 3rd year. So, if you have lagi ko yung naayos yung mga mong uniform. So, laging lukot, laging naka-unbutton yung damit mo. Yun lang. Kapag may kailangan ka, like, directions, you know who to call. So, yan. Happy birthday and I love you.
Happy birthday po, Ate Erica. And sana po maging successful po kayo sa mga gagawin niyo. Yun lang po.
Si Base, kasi naging classmates kami. Tapos other than that, naging close kami kasi may common friends. Diba?
Parang mali-mali yata ang impormasyon ah.
Tapos yun, ever since noon, like, we stick together like glue. Diba? Ayun. Tapos back up lang ako ngayon eh. No? Video ko. Happy Happy birthday! Dahil sa'yo, masasabi ko na first impression doesn't really last. Kasi, tanda ko, first week nung first year college, nasa harap kita, then napaka-talkative mo, parang sabi ko, ingay na niya, parang close na siya sa lahat. Ganon, tapos sobrang bibokid pa pag may, Sir Tadlo, nagtatanong, saan pwede mag-print ng seat plan? Volunteer agad. Sabi ko, bibokid talaga to. And yung rhetorical question. Sobrang na-impress kami, what is a rhetorical question? Taas agad ng kamay. Then, a rhetorical question, wow, bibokid talaga, certified. Then yun, akala ko, hindi tayo magiging close dahil ngayon, sabi ko, ang talkative naman ito. Pero, yun pala yung naging way para maging close tayo and the rest kasama sa Joyce, yun. Magiging magkaibigan tayo for the rest of our college life and hopefully until next school. And then, alam ko, ikaw yung isa sa mga kaibigan na ipre-treasure ko forever. Happy birthday, Bahoy!
Hi! Happy belated happy birthday sa'yo. So kasi, thank you kasi parang kahit hindi na tayo magkaklase, lagi pa rin akong pinapansin sa corridors, kinakamusta mo pa ako. Tapos tulad ng mensahe nilang lahat, gusto ko rin na sana maging masaya sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Tapos maging tagumpay ka sa lahat ng natatahakin mo. Ayun. Ayun, happy birthday.
Lalim mag-Tagalog pala.
Ayun. Sige.
Hi, Base. Happy birthday. Nasabi ko lang, stay fashionable always. Kasi alala yung mga times na parati kong na mistake yung mga damit mo na designer clothes. Na minsan, hindi tayo. Yung mga Charles and Keith, ganun, pero hindi. So, ayun. And good luck sa lahat ng endeavors mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love.
So, well, I have a lot of memories with you since we basically lived together. I just spent the whole storm with her. I was basically living with her anyway. Anyway, what are my wishes for you? Well, I hope that we end up in life together. Neighbors forever. And if anything, if I make it, she'll make it, we always study together. Studying meaning I go to sleep, then she'll study, and then she'll wake me up. So that it's my turn to study. So we have a schedule thing going on. I hope we keep up the process until we graduate. Stay pretty as always. That's why I love you anyway.
Hi, so happy birthday. And okay, kasi naalala ko like before, di talaga kami close ni Baso, but then nung naging classmates kami ng 4th year, inamin niya sa akin na sana daw rin na lang yung classmate niya at hindi na lang ako. Pero inamin niya rin na love din pala ako. Thankful na ako na ako yung classmate niya. So, but then yun lang. I'm so happy to be here. And I just want you to know na ever since, parang every time I have kwento, every time I have problems, you're one of the first people na I go to in the room. Kasi I'm super comfortable talking to you and everything. So, happy birthday! I hope you have a good start of your 20s. 18. Hindi naman. Happy birthday!
First of all, happy birthday, and I wish you good health. May you follow your heart, and ano ba? I don't know what exactly for a person like me to say things to you, especially if we never really had a chance to, you know, to bond together. But since I'm your cousin, elder cousin, I wish you good health. That's number one. And number two, maybe may you achieve your heart's desire, you know. And last night we're talking about the, you know, how I work, how my career was supposed to be, and how my career should be. So I want you to, I hope that you've learned something from it, and
follow your heart, and you will have this wonderful journey ahead of you. That's it. Alam mo talaga first year tayo, akala ko talaga mataray ka. Pero, naman ko, hindi naman pala. So, mabait ka. And, I wish na yung lahat ng gagawin mo, sana, achieve mo. Tsaka, kung kailangan mo ng anything, kahit isang text lang ako. So, ayun. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi, Base. Happy birthday. Isa ka sa mga dahilan kung bakit napamahal ako sa college. Kasi kung hindi ka tumabi sa amin noon ni Mel, siguro hindi natin mabubuo ni na Joyce yung team. Tapos, ikaw yung aspiring singer, dancer, wife ni Sir Tadle, wife ni Zac Efron. Tapos, ngayon, dati hindi ka nag-aayos masyado, pero ngayon, ganda-ganda mo na lalo. Tapos, sana lagi mong tandaan na kahit binaha yung birthday mo, huwag kang magpapatinag sa mga bagyo na dumadaan sa buhay mo. Sana, magpakalakas ka malagi, and sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo. I love you, Base. Happy birthday.
Yan ang message, di ba?
Gusto sabihin ko happy birthday. But first of all, gusto ko yung sabi, fondest memory ko daw sa'yo. So, naalala ko yung third year, classmate kita, tapos tatawagin mo, Lola, may problema ako. Tapos alam ko na kami yung problema mo. Alam mo naman, nakatawa kasi pagtatawagin mo ako, lagi na lang problema. Hindi mo lang mag-hi, Rona. Hindi. Joke lang. Yan, I love you so much. And I hope galingan mo sa nursing. Abot ka ng 4th year. Tapos, ayun, nag-graduate ka na. Ako hindi pa. Pero okay lang. Ayun. I miss you and happy birthday.
First of all, happy birthday. Si Erica kasi, may pagka-brat talaga. Pero okay naman siya, mabait naman. Happy birthday nila. Buti nakarating ako dito, kahit binaha yung kotse ko, pero nakarating pa rin. Butik na hindi, pero dahil sa'yo na... Kwento ko kung bakit, paano tayo nag-meet, pwede ba? Sige, wag na lang. You have naman everything na you want in your life. So studies na lang. Sana, if ever, magkasama tayo sa med school, I don't know. And stay pretty always. And stay talkative. Kung paano tayo naging close. Anyway, I love you.
Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta dito. Ito na, nanginginig lang ako. Ayun na. Nag-uumpisa na. Also po, thank you nga pala sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Sa mga friends niya, classmates, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Sa mga relatives ko and friends. Just echo Erica everything that I want to say. All my wishes. Lahat naman nasabi ko na sa kanya. So, this is the time that I want to say to everybody. All I can say is that we don't have a perfect family, but in our hearts, we knew the true meaning of love. I love you very much, babe. Happy birthday.
I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrow. I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. Can't
I've been wishing on a star, but I could never have imagined that I will land just where you are after all this lonesome traveling. I took one look in your eye and reached out to hold your hand. This is when I realized what I could never understand. Do you want to be my one and only love? Do you want to be my one and only love? So you wanna be my friend, so you wanna be my lover. Oh, with you I do confess I can't be one without the other. Well, that was hard for me to say, I hope I said it right. Whichever come what may, you see I need to know tonight. Do you want to be my one and only love? Do you want to be my one and only love? Do you wanna play these cards? Do you wanna lay them down? Do you wanna run away? Or do you want to stick around? Do you want to be my one and only love? Do you want to be my one and only love?
By the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.